In this video, we are going to create a loop. We are going to create a loop because we want to make an offer on a property. So we are working with the buyer and we want to make an offer. To add a loop, any kind of loop, you will need to be logged into .loop and you will click your Add Loop button from your Loops screen. If you have questions on navigating your Loops screen, see the video on navigating the Loops screen. Once you are on this screen, and it is the first screen you will see after you are logged in, you will click Add Loop. It is the button here towards the upper right. After you have clicked the Add Loop screen, you will see this screen asking for the property address or MLS number. We are going to use the property address. And Google Maps is going to try and find that property address for us as we type. If it finds it, you will want to use your mouse to click on it. It is fairly good at finding all properties unless they are condos. It has trouble with condos because there are different unit numbers. Your property address is in the property address field. You are going to scroll down if you don't see it on your screen. There is a lot of scrolling in .loop. Scroll down until you see the continue button. Maybe you don't have to scroll, but you're looking for the continue button. Click continue, and you will be prompted to select a loop template. All Dalton Wade loops will have a loop template. If you were not prompted for a loop template, it is not a Dalton Wade loop. Be wary. You need a loop template. Click the drop-down to select your loop template. Your choices are buy-side residential, buy-side commercial, list-side residential for my Florida regional. And look, I'm scrolling, lots of scrolling. List-side commercial, list-side lease or rental, renter side or leasee side, lease or rental, a referral for a rental, a referral to another broker, a buy-side vacant land, a list-side vacant land, new agent MLS transfer, and a list-side residential for Miami, Palm Beach, and Greater Fort Lauderdale. It has a separate listing loop, and it is at the bottom. We are making an offer in this example, so we are doing a buy-side residential loop. Simply click to select and then click continue. You may have to scroll. You are looking for the continue button. You will have the opportunity to upload a folder or photo, excuse me. It is not required. If you do not want to upload a photo, click done, and .loop will begin to create your loop. It is going to designate it as new. This is your loop name. We used our address. It's a purchase. The status at this point is pre-offer. I can select the arrow to choose between the statuses, and this will change, hopefully, as we go through the process of our transaction. We can enter the sale price here. and we can enter our closing date here. No worries if any of this information changes. That's okay. All of this is easily edited. Now that we have entered the information available to us, we are ready to view our loop. We are going to click the View Loop button. If you don't see it, you may have to scroll. This is our loop we have created. For learning how to navigate your loop, please see the video, Navigating a Loop. Thank you for joining me.